Welcome back everyone. I'm going to be making a coconut yogurt recipe today, and I'm excited to be using the new Culture Cupboard plant-based yogurt starter. It's perfect for non-dairy yogurts. It's dairy-free, non-GMO, natural, and gluten-free. Whether you're using the Pure Yogurt Maker or the Pure Plus Yogurt Maker, you can make yourself some really great coconut yogurt at home. The great thing about this starter culture is that it comes with a natural thickener in agar, and rice flour, so you don't need to worry about adding thickeners yourself. To activate the thickening agents, you need to heat it in the coconut milk. I've got 3 tins of the I Am 100% natural coconut cream. You could use coconut milk as well, but you want to make sure it's a really good quality product. So add 3 tins of coconut cream to a sterilized saucepan along with the thickener, which is the larger sachet. Place your saucepan over low heat and use a whisk to mix it all together. Slowly bring it up to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 Fahrenheit and give it a whisk every now and then to prevent it from burning. Once it reaches temperature, take it off the heat and allow it to cool right down to below 45 degrees Celsius or 113 Fahrenheit. Add the starter culture, which is the smaller sachet, and whisk it well to incorporate. Pour the mix into your sterilized yogurt container. If you're using the ceramic pots, you might want to use a funnel to avoid any mess. Put the lids on and place them into the base of the yogurt maker. Fill up the water bath to the tall line indicator. Replace the cover and set the machine to 38 degrees Celsius. It'll take between 8 and 12 hours. A longer fermentation time will increase the probiotics and it will make it slightly more tangy. Press confirm to begin incubation. When the incubation time has finished, place it in the fridge to chill and set for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better. So there you have it, another great homemade coconut yogurt recipe for you using the new Culture Cupboard plant-based yogurt starter that you can now get online. As you can see, it makes a really beautiful end product. It's really creamy and thick thanks to the thickeners that are included in this packet. It's really naturally sweet, and I think you're going to really like this recipe if you give it a go for yourself at home. And if you do, then let us know what you think in the comments section below. Check out the blog for more information on this particular yogurt starter and some great tips on homemade yogurt. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.